were my girl. Should've made you my world. Should've did everything.
Is it I want me to?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is featuring Outre's Perfect Hairline Swoop 7 in the color Burgundy Flame. This is how the unit looks straight out of the packet. It's a fully hand-tied 13x4 frontal, pre-plucked with a ear-to-ear soft HD lace. This unit comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, an elastic band, and adjustable straps. So first things first, I have her on in the right placement, then I went ahead to push back any baby hairs because I like to create my own. I'm pinning the hair back and going in to cut the ear tabs off on each side of the lace so that it fits my head properly. I start off with cutting 3 sections. I go in with the Ghost Bond glue around the perimeter and taking the end of my comb to smoothen it back and forth onto my skin. You're going to want to blow dry on medium heat for about 30 seconds. I go in with the liquid bold hold 2 more times for a better and secure hold, so this is all 3 times in total that I've used the glue to lay my lace down. I wait until the glue gets tacky, then I pull the lace down and press directly with my fingertips. I'm going in with the Got To Be Free spray for extra hold while using a comb and blow dryer just so that everything spreads throughout evenly. At this point, I did apply my elastic headband and cut off the extra lace so it doesn't bother my eyes. I'm going in with the blow dryer on the highest heat setting so that the lace can melt really well. This is going to have your lace looking more natural, so I always cut my lace off in a zigzag motion. I'm using the pressing comb just a bit, only at the top, to get her real nice and flat. As far as my baby hairs, I went ahead and took out a thin layer, trimmed them, and curled them off camera so that I would be able to style them to my liking. Reminder, you do not have to do this step. I know not everyone is a fan of baby hairs.
That I'm tryna hold it down when the whole trip is over.
Right here, I'm using the Got To Be Free spray to lay my baby hairs down in place. I did not brush this unit, but if you want to, you could run your fingers through her to give her a more full look or however you like. She is 28 inches long and heat safe up to 400 degrees. So here is the final look of this wig. She is super pretty, very beautiful color. I love the quality, it's very nice. She's very easy to style. She does tangle and she does shed, but you know that's to be expected with these synthetic units. She does come in other colors. Some of the colors are honeycomb blonde, ginger spice, hazelnut honey, and Swedish blonde. The texture on this unit is buttery soft and she is big head friendly. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next. Bye!
You were my girl. Should've made you my world. Should've did everything to make you happy, baby.